from there, it could be corrosion. And
Hey, this place is such a park and you can't see the animals and you're looking salty about it. But it's okay. Right? Am I right, honey? Yes, oh my gosh. Hey, you look good today now. Oh yeah, I look good also, thank you. I don't want to do it. Okay, me. Do I look okay? Do I look? This is the wettest that I've ever been in a vlog. Vlog now? Yeah. Guys, they're going somewhere. Are they going in the park? You wanna go?
are you sure they're going like there?
There's a lot of people.
Why they suddenly decided like screw this? We don't want to waste our money here.
Yeah, there's a lot of them suddenly going. You wanna go?
You want? Why is it so wet?
Mocha. I mean, we paid 5 ringgit, might as well get more wet. Okay? Okay, Jom, let's put on our shoes. We are braving the rain. Yeah, mate. Yeah.
Moi.
Let's go there.
All me. Okay.
Another one.
Sedapnya sting. Oh, tukuk sikit.
Betul kau.
Oh, terima kasih.
Kena kau.
Oh no. It's
Kau
like
betul.
your penguin video.
During this moment, they are very good friends. When they reach 18, 19, they become real enemies. They will fight. Yeah, that's it. See. The two ball there.
Kejap.
Kau jangan.
Kau, I wasn't talking to you.
Okay, since no one appreciates this, you look at it.
It looks like a bunch of leaves.
Yeah, where's the periuk kerap ah? Dia bukan. Sini bah. Oh ya.
Oh, a bit. No.
Wait, another one.
I don't know if I'm looking at the right thing.
We paid 5 ringgit, might as well look at the plants also.
Yeah.
Look at the bricks.
Look at this sand.
Yeah.
Be careful, bro.
Look. Best lah mun dapat jalan sia. Aduh. I can film whole MV there.
Yeah.
Cool.
Propagation. Basic
Whatever
physics.
that is. We're on the way up because buggy is for the weak. You need to save money and walk. I'm already struggling. You can tell I don't exercise. Karung itak.
Looks like a tree to me.
You know, just now when we were like on the way, when we were on the way down, like coming, and then it was very heavy rain, and we just would look at the signs that would come up, the signs of the orangutans. We'd be like, orangutan. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just saying that. Just saying that when you're bored, all the way back. The way. This is what I was talking about. Oh, this is Richie. Cool. Oh, there's another one coming here. You best nah. I thought they said you cannot bring your car. Hello, stop.
You bring your car inside, huh? Now I take your car. Get out of the car. I'm sorry. I want to do it again. No.
Go.
Is there another car park there? How did I get that? Is there another entrance?
Kau si research benar-benar. Kau si baca GPS benar-benar.
Ada aku baca. It didn't route me.
Oh my goodness, this is speed. I love this. MV spot.
Down there.
Music video, another spot. 25 kilometers per hour, another spot. I'm sorry about this vlog.
Analysis and mass.
Apa benda kau pada tu?
Nama ya? Analisa.
Oh, kaca. Tanya. That's a nice name for orangutan. Ganya again. That's a pretty one. Yeah, Ruby, I think. I should probably stop vlogging. So yeah, until like maybe we go to the car. It's interesting. I'll see you later. Actually, no. I'm gonna keep you around. Anyone back? So basically, we plan to come here. Hello, daripada I will stop vlogging itu nanti. You know what I mean? Wow. Okay. You just plain ignored me.
Huh?
I was talking to you.
Yaka, so you're talking to the audience.
I said. I forgot what I said. So there were these people in front, and we're trying to catch up to them because we want to prank them. Because he wants to make the sound. Make the sound. Just. We want to make them turn around. Because just now when he made the sound, I thought it was the bird, and I turned around because we were looking at the bird just now.
So gullible. Can they hear me from here?
I think they can.
They want to hear me.
We can catch up to them. Of course we can.
Are you sure you want to?
Yes. Okay, I think it's too obvious. It's too obvious. Stop it. Stop it. It's so obvious. It's you. It's so no, because you suck at the car just now. It sounds like a human.
They didn't hear. The bird also can voice crack. The bird hit puberty, huh?
Shut up. Wait until the buggy. Then we can prank a whole buggy.
Later my voice crack in the buggy, how? Then they all just stare at us.
I know, guys. I'm losing all my krik kanan krik AMD RMB. He already gone. No, you made that sound right when he was next to you. This is a music video spot, or is this music video spot? But it's blocked off. It has the red tape. We cannot go inside. This is so nice. Hey, boleh sih? Woi, boleh sih ya? Wait, this is beautiful. This is so nice.
That's not deep, right?
This is nice. Oh, look at that.
Do you want MD? I want to hear people.
Rain got into my eye.
Hello.
I almost lit.
You okay? I don't think you should shop.
My mom made nugget. We have Milo that I make.
Yeah.
Kitsu and a jigsaw puzzle. My mom's one. And with the
Especially
and with Dogosh. With Dogosh ready. Hello, it's actually the next day and I'm actually editing the vlog right now, and I'm so sorry if this vlog is so much of chaotic or whatever. Like I said, I didn't plan to vlog kan. I mean, it's like impromptu, we were caught in the rain. We've been planning to go to Semonggok since like, I don't know, a few months. I mean, like since the last time I come back to Kuching, we were like, we want to go. I was just dying to see some animals. Like I haven't seen other animals in so long, you know, so like, I was so excited to go. We got to see the orangutan. It was such a great day, even with the rain and everything. It was actually so fun. Thank God for that day. Yesterday actually, it was so much fun. We got to see orangutan. It's so uncanny, right? How they are so like us. I mean, like nama pun orang hutan, right? But then like it's so uncanny. Like I don't think, probably I've seen orangutan last time when I was younger. Maybe I went to another wildlife park, I don't know, maybe I've never, but it was so cool to see them up close. We were blessed enough to see 2 of them, and it was just so cool, you know. And it's so weird to see how they move like us, and they're so like, it's just uncanny. Just like macam creepy sikit tapi macam amazing, you know. So that was so fun. I was so happy. I was hoping to see more animals. For some reason I thought there were more animals there, but I guess it's just orangutan kot. But yeah, thank you Semonggok. Thank you, and it was actually so much fun. Again, I'm so sorry if we came off as so annoying and noisy in the vlog, but actually I like it. It's just so impromptu, it was so genuine, and it's just a lot of fun on a rainy day. I'm actually so glad I picked up the camera and vlog. So yeah, highly recommend for you to go to all your nature reserves and your wildlife parks and like support a good cause, you know, for animals. Like I've loved animals since I was like very small, and it's just so nice to be able to go to those kind of places, and I'm blessed to be in a place that has that kind of place, so I'll definitely try to go to more. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. God bless your day, your week, your month, your year, your life. God bless you and your family. So don't forget the Lord Jesus Christ loves you very much. One last thing,